The demand for training videos keeps growing, but for most teams, the resources to produce them are not. AI was supposed to be the answer, but let's be honest, it's easy to generate a video that looks polished on the surface, but it's also full of mistakes or just bad. You are what makes a training video click. The best content is shaped by human expertise and empathy. AI just doesn't know the why behind a click or the part of the process that always trips people up. The good news? You can use AI to speed up your workflow without sacrificing the quality of your training videos. That's where the human framework comes in. It's a set of 5 principles for using AI effectively and responsibly in training videos. Let's start with H. Harness your expertise. Don't let AI take the wheel completely. Think of AI as a junior assistant. It can generate a first draft of a script or remove background noise, but it doesn't know your company's specific context. You are the expert. Use AI to conquer tedious tasks, but make sure you're stepping in where expertise is needed. Even if you provide context and details to train the system, your specific knowledge and context are often better able to hone in on what's needed most. Next is you. Understand your audience. AI doesn't know if your viewer is a brand new hire or a tenured manager. It doesn't know the why behind a process. When you prompt an AI tool for a script, give it that context. Explain who your learner is and what problem they're trying to solve. If you don't define the audience, AI will do its best to predict it and probably get it wrong. M. Make it authentic. Trust is everything in training. If a video feels fake, learners will stop trusting the information. For high-stakes moments that benefit from human connection, use a real human face and voice. For more low-stakes tasks, like a software walkthrough, it's okay to lean on AI for voiceovers and avatars. But always ask yourself, in this case, does using AI build trust or erode it? A stands for aim for better, not just faster. If your only goal is speed, you're missing the point. Use the time that AI saves you to make your training videos better. AI can be great for the boring stuff. Leverage it to clean up your audio or generate your captions. That will leave you with more time to focus on the overall clarity of your video. Add that cursor effect or fix the pacing. Use AI to augment your skills, not just replace your effort. And finally, N. Never skip reviews. AI makes stuff up. It might invent a button that doesn't exist or skip a critical safety step. A small error like that can be costly or even dangerous. You have to review every second of the output. I repeat, if a human didn't review it, it shouldn't be published. Your reputation is on the line. And there you have it. By following the human framework, you can produce videos faster and keep your training effective. If you want a tool that balances AI power with professional control, check out Camtasia. Get started for free at the link in the description. Thanks for watching.